Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, we are going to learn the making of this beautiful honey pot. For this purpose, we will simply need a balloon and plaster of Paris. First of all, I had shown you in all my previous videos how to make the bowl base. For this purpose, simply cover the balloon using some magazine pieces or some tissue papers and let it dry. When this is totally dried, we will remove the balloon and then we will add some texture paste like the paste of plaster of Paris and water in it. Let it cover. Apply 4 to 5 layers of this paste and you will get the required thickness of this bowl. So it will take you a day for making the base of this bowl. It means we require 24 hours for making this base. So once we have done with the base, we will need to make the lid of this bowl. So for this purpose, we will need the wrapping sheet and the cap of a disposable cup, or if you don't have a cap, you can also use the styrofoam balls. Just cut it into the two pieces and you have done with the required stuff. So let me cover the bowl using the wrapping sheet. Once you have covered it, we will need the plaster of Paris and our styrofoam ball or the cap of disposable cup can also be used. So let me mark the point for the outline of lid, and now I will make a paste using plaster of Paris and water, and here I had done with it. Now make a base of our lid. So let me pour it onto the surface. So now I shall put the cap and now I will cover it using plaster of Paris. So let it dry. When this is totally dried, we will simply sand it, as I had always advised to sand the bowl in open air because it might cause some disease like asthma or any other. So after sanding it, we will paint using acrylic colors. I had already told you the process of making the acrylic colors at home. So once we had done with the acrylic paint, now I want to give it some marble effect. For this purpose, I am going to use a sponge and black acrylic color. So I had given the marble effect. I had randomly pasted the strokes of this black color, and it is giving a beautiful look of ladybird theme bowl. So guys, for more decoration, we will need some homemade clay. Here is my homemade clay. The recipe is easily available at my channel. Go to my channel and check the recipe. And here I had made some flowers. I shall paste it onto the top of this lid. So once I had done with the flowers, I had decided to make the center. I had already colored. I did the color in the clay. For making the center, we will need green color, and once we had done with the center of these flowers, we will make some leaves, and we will add more charm to it by making some ladybirds. It will enhance the beauty of our pots. So guys, if you do not have subscribed this channel, please subscribe it, as your subscription and your comments are most beautiful power for us. It will a great help for us to improve our work. So be a part of our channel and be permanent and to support us, and let us know in the comment section what more suggestions you suggested for us. So guys, here I am going to make the ladybird. Simply use the black and red clay, and once we have done with it, we will need acrylic lacquer, which is used for the purpose of bringing the shine in the final product. So guys, if you don't have acrylic color, you can simply use the school glue. Just make a coat of school glue on this overall bowl and let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours it will bring the shine in our final product. For more dyes and videos, please do subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, because it will get you notified about the new uploads. Thanks for being part of our channel, and thanks for supporting us. Your comment and subscription is very important support for us. Thanks for being part of our channel.